The sound of gunfire echoes through the forest, a sorrowful memory at Mumbai on a long dark day. Gunshots echo again and again across the land. Warriors fall to the ground, losing their stand. Oh, precious homeland, in the heart of our soil, the enemy spread fire, igniting conflict and war. Their blood is twisted, driven by violence and greed. They create faults, they invade our sacred land. Oh, precious homeland, we rise to defend. Oh, Thailand, oh, Siam, thinking Khmer stays silent, crawling, begging for talks without resistance. But Khmer never follows, Khmer stands